Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your Instagram and TikTok links directly to your WhatsApp profile. This is a great way to make it easier for people to find your social media accounts without having to send them separately. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using Android. Search for WhatsApp and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Once the update is complete, open WhatsApp. Now tap on the Settings tab in the bottom right corner if you're on an iPhone. If you're using Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, tap on your profile at the top of the screen. Here you'll find a new option called Links. Tap on it. Inside this section, you'll see supported platforms such as Instagram and TikTok. Simply choose the platform you want to connect. Follow the on-screen instructions. Sign into your account if required, and authorize WhatsApp to link your profile. Once the process is complete, your selected social media account will appear on your WhatsApp profile for others to view. If you don't see the links option yet, don't worry. WhatsApp is rolling out this feature gradually, so make sure your app is updated, and check back later if it's not available on your account yet. That's it. Your social media links are now connected to your WhatsApp profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more WhatsApp tips, tricks, and new feature tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.